Hi, Mike, we're back with you, no goose. I want to tell you who's being a real ass yesterday after you left. Alright, so here's some other dogs over here, so I'm just going to work him around. Tyson.
What is your and there's some Myrna.
Is that 3212?
She bark? It only gets harder. Down. Sit. Sit. Down. Sit. Tyson. Down. Sit. Down.
Yeah, she usually I take the dog park all the time. So,
well, I think sometimes when they're on the leash.
Yeah, this is all new. So, I mean, I'm trying to get her used to that. She does pretty good. Bye-bye.
Tyson.
Lola.
Down.
Let's go. Good boy. Thanks.
No. Down.
Thank you.
Down.
Good boy.
See that look you gave me right there?
Good boy. Alright, let's just go down this way.
Look at these little cork keychains. Down. Down. Thank you so much, girl. Down. All right, we'll be back next week if you're here. Down.
I'll be here. Can I do that?
Well, he's in training.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, thank you.
Day.
Well, thank you so much.
Well, I love it. I'll try to wear it next week when we come up here.
Oh, fabulous.
Perfect.
Fabulous. Thank you.
I'll model it around in front of your booth.
I would love
Oh,
it.
he's a good boy. Oh, and then even a little tiny plant goes out of the cork.
Yep, there's something.
What do you guys just save them from wine bottles?
People give them to me.
I gotcha.
If I go to Habitat or Good Life or people will donate.
I don't know. Go on Facebook and say I need wine corks. Every person on there seems to be guzzling. Just what I can gather, they're guzzling down wine on that place faster than you can say. Oh, because let me tell you what happened. Someone walking along yesterday down. Then I screamed, there's a baby bird on the ground dead. I don't even know where it came from. I think maybe a hawk might have got it, or there was no nest or anything. But you know, it looked like a robin or something, but it was obviously, you know, didn't really have any feathers or anything. See, and she already knows if I see something on the ground, anything, then I scream down. She was like, what? I go, ah. So, it's definitely a bigger baby. Alright, so I don't know which one do you think is the best. I think these are better for the little wrens. Oh, you mean, well, gosh, I've got a pair of hawks. Everyone, to me, this one looks like a good. Can I ask you about that? Down? You must be the dog trainer. We love it up here so much. Do you have a card? We will bring you one. Where are you at? I'm in. Oh, you are? I have a granddaughter dog that,
Oh, did we put cards in that pocket? Tomatoes just kind of... No, we must have took them out.
she is a lab, they call her a lab mix, I think she has some fitted. She's very gentle. She, you know, her only issue is she runs up to everybody's scared to see her. You know, when somebody walks in the door or somebody, she runs up to people and trying to get rid of the jump.
Oh, that's very common, girl.
Other than that, she is perfect.
Yeah,
She binds so well.
Symptom of the bigger problem.
And you know, when she just runs up to somebody, they don't know she's just going to say hi and, you know, or is it like right there? You know,
Well, yeah,
somebody
that's
walks
a
in the
symptom of the
house.
bigger problem, though. You got to kind of get them, you know, to do it too. You got to get them, you know, where you're going to go down like this so they understand like a different behavior instead of just saying don't jump, don't jump.
Yeah, I mean, we try to just stay down. We don't leave it. She drop whatever's in her mouth if she has a toy and she wants to play and we don't.
Down.
So I don't know how it works with the dog.
Well, yeah, we have like a boot camp. I want to get that gourd one. To me, that looks like a good house.
Oh, you're okay.
Where my birds are going to be living from now on.
Want me to just stop next week and get a card?
But you were just walking around?
No, I work here.
Oh!
I'm working.
All right, we're going to go put this one up and come back. Are you going to just be like walking around for a minute?
No, I was going to grab my sandwich.
Oh, that's okay.
I don't have, I mean, I'd have to bring her up here and have my daughter bring her
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, no, we're going to try to come every week. I'm in the book though. It's called About Turn Dog Training.
About turn.
Yeah, or just Google it.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay.
All right, girl. Thanks so
Thanks.
much. Bye. Can't wait for my birds to move into their new house.
Seven.
Well, no, I don't want house hours living in there. Yeah, I got you. No, these. I think it's actually the same family, and then luckily they have it in building a ridiculous nests where they shouldn't build them. They don't seem to have a lot of sense.
These are our bird's nest farms. This is a crocodile. And that one's
Yeah, I believe that. Yeah. No, I believe that. Well, if you think if I just kind of hang this up somewhere, they'll figure it out.
the way that you water and feed these, they may do more.
Yeah.
And of course, when you bring them in, they yell at you, don't build your nest if you don't want us going in and out. But
They don't seem to have a lot of sense.
they build all in his work area. We have woodpeckers in our garage, the back, our shop.
I'm going to write on there for rent.
There you go.
Why do you constantly film her?
We're doing a YouTube dog training. We're doing a YouTube dog training show.
Oh.
But we're just shopping at the same time. No, I think I'm a celebrity, girl. Oh, I'm here. Makeup, hair and makeup, please. Huh? I'm delusional. You see that show, Ed TV?
Yeah.
Well, of course, he didn't know they were filming him. It's the opposite of that. I don't know. To me, this looks like the perfect little house for a bird.
Yeah, it's cool.
Hanging up over there by the puppy thing, and hopefully they'll move in there. And I think they'll be safe.
Do you put this on Facebook?
No, it's on YouTube.
Just YouTube?
Is it not working? Oh, I promise you, that part's good. Okay, we'll just be working around a little bit, and then we'll come back down. Oh, really? Wow. Why don't you guys bring her? So nice up here for dogs. Tyson. All right, I'm just going to walk down here and I'll come back. And then why do you always Down. Wonder, wonder, wonder. She's actually better off the leash. Tyson. Did it work?
Yep.
Okay. Down.
Doing good. Watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Well,
I trained our dog with actual signs because I teach handicapped kids and signs.
down.
So I do the actual sit, stand. Probably not the right signal.
Well, you can make up anything.
Anything.
Yeah, it
as long
doesn't
as they
matter.
get whatever you're doing.
It doesn't matter. Down. I will let you know how they like it. Put it on YouTube when they move in
There
there.
you go. Thank
Because
you.
it seems like, I think like the babies are the ones that hatch out around there, then they kind of hang around and build their nest the same.
Yeah, well, we don't color them. I'm going to try a few because they're supposed to look like the tree, like natural.
I got you. Well, I was going to hang these under the little, roof thing. That's what they seem to like to. I don't want them to be exposed to the elements. When these storms hit all this stuff, I told you that one year they built it just in the most precarious place. The storm came, blew the nest down. I had to put the nest back up with all these cable ties and everything. And it was in the worst place. I mean, I worried and worried. I was constantly checking on them. Like I have nothing else to do. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Down. She did have my neck right there. Oh, we're just having the time of our lives. Down. Down. Tyson. I'm going to let him just turn and be looking away like that. Tyson. Down. See how nice this food right is today. Down. All right, Mike, more updates soon.